Hey there, this is Michelle Pescosolido, and in this training video, I want to show you some additional areas where you could create Facebook ads and start targeting a warm audience. So if you've been following any of our trainings, you know that one of the very first places that we put an ad in front of is to our fans. So we really focus heavily on building up our likes on our fan page, because when we come in here and create an ad, so these are all ads right here, we will target our fans. So it really takes that guesswork out of who do I target? Do I target all the people that like Tony Robbins? And do all the Tony Robbins fans find my ad annoying, or do they actually have an interest in it? That's the big challenge for when you create a Facebook ad and you go out there and you target a specific audience that's considered a cold market. And typically your ads don't perform as well on Facebook or any of the other social media sites, because social media is really about building relationships with people, getting them to know you, like you, and trust you before you go in and actually ask for them to register for a webinar, or before you go in and ask for them to opt into one of your lead magnets, or to get them to buy from you. It's best to really target, when it comes to social media, the warm market. So the very first thing we do anytime we create a Facebook ad is we will target our own fans. But I want to show you some additional audiences that are considered warm also, that you want to make sure that you always have set up in your ad manager. So when you do create a Facebook ad, you have the option to also target this particular custom audience. So with that said, it's called custom audiences, and I'm going to show you how we also use it. So what we do is, I'm in my ad manager and I'm up here in the tools section, and I'll come over here to audiences. Now, I've already got this set up, but I just kind of want to show you where you need to go to actually do this. But one of the things that we would do is we'd come over here and create an audience if we've never done this before, and we'd click on custom audience. Now, if we are already generating leads, or we have a list of subscribers, now I'm just talking about subscribers right now, what we do is we would download the CSV file from our autoresponder, and we would come in here and click on customer list, and we would upload that file right here of emails. Now, if you have a list of 10,000 emails, all of them are probably not going to take, because those emails have to be a registered email address on Facebook. So don't get alarmed if you're uploading 5,000 and only 1,000 show up in the custom audience. They have to have an email that's registered with Facebook, so not all of them are going to take. But this is the very first type of custom audience that I recommend that everybody has and that they should be targeting. It's already a warm market. This is somebody who's already opted in to most likely one of your offers, and then hopefully through your follow-up email sequence, you're building a relationship with those leads, so they've already gotten to know you. So another perfect type of audience, other than targeting your fans, now you can target your list of subscribers. Now, it's very time consuming to come in here and actually upload, what I recommend is every month, just come in here, get a new CSV file. If you're constantly generating leads, upload a new one. There are third-party programs out there that you can integrate your autoresponder to Facebook, and it will dump those new subscribers that come into your autoresponder list into Facebook. You can do a search on that and try to find that. There's a couple that I use, but I'm not really sure right now if they're opened up to like Aweber or GetResponse. We actually use Infusionsoft. So if you use Infusionsoft and you want to know what that program is, just let me know. So that's the first one. The second one would be, same thing, create a custom audience right here. And if you have a separate list of buying customers, that's another one that I would upload. So I would just come in here, I would upload the file, and I would name it buying customers. So anytime you create a Facebook ad that would make sense to target buying customers, they've already bought from you, so they most likely know the type of work that you produce, or the type of product that you've created. They're familiar with you, another warm market. So now you've got all your subscribers uploaded as a custom audience, and then you also have a list of your buyers. And then finally, the last one that I recommend you doing is, anytime you are driving traffic to a website, you want to have a pixel installed on that website. So what I would do is come in here and click on pixels under the tools, go through the process of actually getting your pixel. I've already done it, and you only get one pixel per Facebook account, so that's fine. But what I would do is I would take that pixel, and again, I don't have it available right here, but there will be an area in here where you can grab your pixel if you've never done it before. But I would grab that pixel, I can view my pixel code right here. I would grab this pixel and I would go place that on every website that you are driving traffic to. So if you have a blog, you want to insert that on your blog. If you have a lead capture page, maybe you're using it in ClickFunnels, or maybe you're using it in Funnelizer, or maybe you're using it in the Elite Marketing Pro system, or you're using lead pages. You want to put this pixel on all of those pages, because what's going to happen is, and again, it's the same pixel. It's okay that it's on a bunch of different pages, but we have them on our blog, we have them on our capture pages, anywhere we have visitors going to, we will have this pixel installed. So every time a visitor hits that page, a pixel will fire and it will communicate with Facebook and start building that audience. Again, it's another warm market. So these are 3 different types of warm audiences that you should definitely have set up in your audience section here. So when you're creating Facebook ads, now you can actually keep targeting more of a warm market. And then you don't run the risk of targeting people who have no idea who you are and they start marking your ad as spam. And then that's how people actually get shut down on Facebook. So, I mean, as you can see, I mean, we have our one of our blogs on here. Here's our get pixel right here. As of right now, we've got about 14,500 people that we can target because we are, basically we have this pixel installed on a bunch of our traffic sites. So when we go and create a Facebook ad, we will go and target all the people that have visited our websites, or we'll go in and target all the people who have, that have actually subscribed to our list. We have several different lists in here. We don't just use Infusionsoft. We have Aweber also. So we'll upload those customers or those lists of subscribers to Facebook. And now when we go and we create a Facebook ad, we can actually choose under the custom audiences to target our list of subscribers, or we can target our list of customers, or we can target all of our website visitors. So if I came in here and just said promote my page, and then under the ad set, over here in this section here, and your back office might look a little different, but it's basically in the targeting section where you start to create the audience that you want to target. What I would do is I would come in here, set the audience and budget, and you would basically find, if you have that audience set up, let me go back here, you would find it in this area right here, and instead of saying, okay, let me find some specific interests that I want to target this ad to, which is down here under the age and gender, you would do it up here under custom audiences. So I had one of them labeled, I believe, get the pixel, I think is what it was labeled, and that should pull up here. And now what I've done is I've created a Facebook ad that's going to target all the people that have visited the website that pixel is actually inserted on. And then you don't have to worry about this detailed targeting. You don't have to worry about targeting people who like Network Marketing Pro, or entrepreneurship, or business, or our fan page or your fan page. You would just simply create your Facebook ad and now target all the people that are on your list, or target all the people that are your customers, or target all the people that have visited any of your websites. So that's all I have for this training video. It's a great way to add some more audiences for you to target in your ads, and I hope you got value from this, and I'll see you in the next training. Bye-bye.